Create cute, personal and quirky characters with our new Dressables range. The Dressables Essentials give you the complete base to your figures, including a wide variety of accessories perfect for creating original characters of your choosing. Girls and boys outfit sets bring some magic to the range, with detailed fancy dress outfits perfect for creating fantasy characters from kings to queens and pirates to mermaids. Finally, complete your Dressables with the extra stamp set to personalise your characters with extra detail, or add the perfect sentiment to your craft project. Launching Friday the 19th of January at 10 AM with Jodie Johnson, only on Achanda.